A few days ago, Drayton Manor Park officially confirmed the permanent closure of Pandemonium. If you don't know, Pandemonium is a double hammer ride manufactured by Fabbri. Before we get into the video, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any theme park content when I release it every week. With all that said, let's get straight into the video. So yes, on Wednesday the 27th of October 2021, Drayton Manor posted this photo to their various different social media pages announcing the permanent closure of Pandemonium. Pandemonium has been thrilling guests since 2004, that's 17 years of operation. Drayton Manor has officially confirmed that Pandemonium will thrill its last guests on the 31st of October as part of Drayton Manor's brilliant fireworks show. An official spokesman from Drayton Manor Park stated, "We know how much our brave riders have loved boarding Pandemonium since we first opened it 17 years ago, so we're calling all thrill seekers back to enjoy one last chance to ride this weekend. While it's the end of an era for Pandemonium, we have big plans in the pipeline to expand our offering and make the park as exciting as possible for our guests, and we can't wait to reveal the new developments for 2022. At the time of recording, Pandemonium is still listed up for sale on Interlink, so from this we can infer that it's not yet been sold. However, they may have not just updated the website yet. In my opinion, the likelihood for this ride being sold is very small. It's not the most reliable of rides. For example, the ride was shut for a lot of the 2018/19 season. Do I think that it's the best move for Drayton Manor? Well, yes. The park has stated that they are planning some future developments in that area, and honestly, with what they have done with the Adventure Cove area, this Pandemonium/Apocalypse area could be turned into something amazing. I'm personally hoping for some sort of pirate themed area, including the Buffalo coaster and some sort of coaster going over the lake. I actually saw some photos online just a few days ago of a pathway just near Apocalypse, and lampposts were being pulled out and work was taking place in that area, so we can assume that this is all related to the 2022 developments. We've got to remember, Drayton Manor is no longer rivaling Alton Towers or Thorpe Park. They're moving to a more family-orientated park with the new additions of Wave Swinger and River Rapids demonstrating this transition this year. With the removal of Pandemonium, could we maybe be seeing Apocalypse next on the firing line? Apocalypse is not a family ride and is definitely for thrill seekers. Earlier this year it was up for sale on Interlink and still is. I know lots of enthusiasts, including me, would be really upset if it goes, but to be honest, I think Apocalypse will be leaving shortly. What I'd like to see though is the park incorporate Apocalypse into a new themed area, but will that happen? Well, we don't really know. Personally, I am upset to see Pandemonium go, as it was one of my first thrill rides and holds so many memories for me. But with these things, nothing lasts forever, and I'm sure in the next few months we'll be seeing lots of new development in this area. So there we go, get your last rides in on Pandemonium as it'll be commencing its last ride on the 31st of October 2021. Let me know in the comment section, are you sad that Pandemonium is leaving? Will you be happy? Are you excited to see the new developments? Let me know in the comment section down below. And with all that said and done, thank you for watching Theme Park Enthusiast, and I tell you what, I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.